Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2021 Ford F-350 in a Lariat trim and powered by a 7.3 liter V8 engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing, and coming with the Tremor Off-Road Package, providing you with a bunch of upgrades such as off-road tuned shocks, a slight suspension lift, giving you some more height, sitting on some 35-inch off-road tires. That's Goodyear Wranglers. And having some nice grippy platform running boards down below, heavy-duty mud flaps on the front and rear tires, has skid plates underneath as well, and fluting to allow water to flow through easier if you were fording through some rivers or something like that. But let's take a look inside. And first, looking in the back seat, where you have seating for three with a nice full leather interior. In the middle, you have fold-out armrests with two cup holders, as well as having two more in the middle here with a 12-volt USB and USB-C, 110-volt power outlet, and heated rear seats. Seats can also be folded up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo and reveal your collapsible storage box underneath, which can be locked at the hinge for added security. This truck does also have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, power telescoping towing mirrors, and 3 memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat, steering wheel, pedals, and your mirrors. And now sitting in the truck with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, and on the left you have your cruise controls as well as your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your trip and fuel, so your trip 1 and 2 information, your fuel economy, and compass, and then you can look at things such as your tire pressures, digital speedometer, engine info, transmission temperature, maintenance monitor. And then you can also go into your towing status and information, your off-road status, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle. You also have My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio series and Bluetooth, so you do have some options there for whatever you want to listen to. You have your digital climate controls with dual front climate and a heated steering wheel, so you can keep your fingers warm in the cold months. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, your navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost on your travels, whatever apps you may have installed, and then settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera with reverse sensors, so you're going to be able to see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything, with dynamic hitch view, so you can zoom in and hopefully have an easier time hooking up a trailer or something of the sort. Then above that, you have your traction control shutoff, your hazards, and somewhat unique to this package is your trail control mode, where you can set a sort of cruise speed while off-roading or going over rough terrain. And then you have your lane keeping system there. You do also have a premium B&O audio system in this truck, so your music or whatever you're listening to is going to sound pretty decent. Moving down from your screen, you have your media controls, and then you have your physical climate controls, once again with dual front climate, but also heated and air-conditioned front seats, so you can stay comfortable no matter the weather or climate. To the left of that, you have your 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and trailer brake controller, and on the right you have a 12-volt power outlet and 110-volt power outlet. Then down below you have this, which opens up to reveal a USB, USB-C, and a wireless charging pad, so if your phone is compatible, just throw it on there and it'll begin to charge. Moving on to your column shifter real quick, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears, and then your drive mode selector at the end of the stock for normal, tow haul, eco, slippery, deep snow, sand, and your sort of off-road rock crawl mode, which is for going over especially rough terrain. But then moving on to your center console area, where you have 2 cup holders, which can be turned into 4, and then, or if you just want to have your stuff in here, you can of course do that too. You have your lockable center compartment / armrest, which is very spacious, has a removable tray, and inside another 12-volt power outlet, so you can plug something in from there too. And then looking back, you have a power sliding rear window. Up here you have 6 auxiliary or upfitter switches, which can be wired up however you please, and then last but not least a twin panel moonroof up top so you can land in the sunshine. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.